Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Myself Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about lesson 7 HTML2. What is list? In your file, you have a list of your friends, telephone list and blacklist people you dislike. Every day you have a lot of something to do, so you must have a list for this to be in order, like this. Once you have a list of your friend, telephone list, blacklist, yeah, even any list. Every day you have a lot of work you perform according to your list. So this is one list. Now, what is list in HTML? Assume that you want to develop your site, so you should have a menu about your menu appear as a vertical or horizontal. You will use list to keep your vertical menu in order. Sometimes you will use list with vertical menu when you have sub menu. For example, here list in order wise like this. This one the horizontal and this is the vertical. So we prepare through list. Type of list. There are two types of list in your HTML documents. First, ordered list. Second, unordered list. Ordered list. When you want to order something, you can order by different method. Hence, order is in a form of sequence. When you do your work in a sequence manner, is called the order list. Types of order list here: 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, in Roman 1, 2, 3. All these are order list. Order list start with OL tag, and each list item start with li. Li is for list item tag. Here the code: OL open, list item coffee, list item close, list milk, list close, and after that OL close. When you write this code on your HTML documents and run, after that you find such type of result. First one is the coffee and second one is the milk. Order list example here. Here the text code and here the result. And here you see OL type A. Type A means your order list start with capital A. You give the list apple, list banana, lemons, orange, and you close your list, order list. Then you after that when you write such HTML code, then you find the result: A apples, B banana, C lemons, D orange. And here use a lowercase. Same program but type equal to small a. It's same things. Here start a small letter. A small a, apple small b. These are the lowercase letter list. Your list elements. You can make your list like this. Type 1 Arabic 1 2 3. Small a lower alpha ABC. A capital alpha ABC. I lower Roman 1 2 3. 1 capital Roman, A upper Roman 1 2 3. You can prepare your list like this. Next, the list element. You can specify a starting number for an ordered list. Well, equal to type I. List item. List. You find out. You also open means OL type I means your list start I, but start 3. Start 3 means start Roman number 3, 4, 5 like this. Next one, the unordered list. When you want to order something, you can order this by different method. Type of order list. Disk roulette means here unordered list means when you need any sequence. then you can use on order list. Example here, you can start point, circle, square to use to write your prepare your list. On order list, and on order list start with UL tag, and each list item start with LI. The list item are marked with black tick. Please small black circle like this. Here write you code UL list coffee list milk. You will close, means on order list close. Find here in a dot circle coffee and milk. On order list example here. There are so many examples of on order list. Here the left side text code and right side result. Text code UL type disk. List item apples, banana, lemon, orange, and order list close. Here the result apple, banana, dot, and type equal to circle. Then here same programmers type equal to circle. Here the answer is in a circle form, and type is equal to square. Then you find here small square. Because these are on order list, there are no any sequence when you are think and write the name of the list. So this is on order list. Next one, the nesting list. Nesting means you can nest list by inserting UL, OL, etc. inside a list item LI. Nested means when you use one loop inside another loop, here one order list inside another order list, here unordered list is called the nesting list. For example, here you see here the unordered list, then after that order list, and after that unordered list. These are the nested list. For example, unordered list type is equal to square, list item first, second. After that order list I start 3. List item here given the list item, and on order list is closed, and after that LI list item and unordered list close. Here you see the you write this code and you find such type of output there result, breakdown here. So this is called the nested list, because one list here open but close here, and within inside this unordered list you open you use order list and close here, means one inside another order list is called nested list. Either order list or unordered list, when you use one list inside another list, then you can call nested list. Hopefully you understand all content of this HTML2. If you face any problem, call me my number 8840156170. Thank you.